Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. Today we're going to take a look at the Queen of Demolition and the School Bus of Death, Miss Fritter, the Crazyeight racer number 58 from Cars 3. Before we get right into the review and the retrospective and the unbagging, I have an announcement to make. Today is race day. The NASCAR Cup Series' Auto Trader Echo Park Automotive 400 at Dover Motor Speedway at 2:00 p.m. on TNT. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the retrospective. But first, let's get her unbagged. Here we have Miss Fritter unbagged. So without any further ado, it's Fritter time! Miss Fritter is a Crazyeight school bus who happens to bear the number 58 for the Crazyeight Demolition Derby races at Thunder Hollow Speedway. She also bears monster wheels, monster horns, a stop sign that is actually a buzzsaw, and many license plates on both sides. Used to work for the Lower Belleville County Dignified School District, and is also voiced by leadelaria. Although she may be antagonistic on the outside, she's nice on the inside, as she happens to be a fan of Lightning McQueen. First appearing in Cars 3 during the Crazyeight race at Thunder Hollow Speedway of 2017, she observed Lightning McQueen, alias Chester Whipplefilter, and Cruz Ramirez, alias Francis Beltline, that there wasn't a single dent, and stated that she can fix that, and she also referred them as Muddy Britches and Lemonade. And after many crashing and racing and smashing, it was Fritter time, as Miss Fritter posed to aim at Francis Beltline, or should I say Cruz, who's in the middle of the race, in the muddiest part of the racetrack, and stated that her license plate was going to look real nice, but that wasn't to be the case, as lightning intervened, and causing Miss Fritter to jump a ramp and crashed into her "It's Fritter Time" sign. However, after Chester Whipplefilter turns out to be none other than Lightning McQueen, and after she recovered, she stated to the press that her garage, that has always been her favorite, as she stated that her garage was covered with Lightning McQueen decos on her garage. Later on, she and the other Crazyeight racers were watching the Florida 500 of the 2017 Piston Cup season, cheering for both Lightning McQueen and Cruz Ramirez. In the short, Miss Fritter's Racing School, she was starred in her own commercial, sponsoring Miss Fritter's Racing School, as she taught Dr. Damage, Fair Game, and RV, who I unfortunately don't have, how to race. And because of all the honking and laughing, it caused Cruz's trophy to knock over and break a second time. Miss Fritter then appeared in the Cars 3 Driven to Win, Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy, after a race between Lightning and Chick Hicks. She made Chick get his karma. She then, in the Pixar Popcorn Shorts episode, Unparalleled Parking, she came racing into Radiator Springs during the parking game, knocking over some traffic cones in the process. And during her diecast releases, she was released a few times as a deluxe. And ever since 2022, her re-release has not yet been announced by Mattel. What a shame. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we've got her devilish, happy expression, her headlights and yellow paintwork, the gray front bumper, her grille, and some chains on the hood, her monster horns, the word school bus, and her front lights on both left and right top sides. And on both sides we've got the monster wheels with wrenches and gray rims, her name Miss Fritter, the stop sign which actually opens, the blue number 58, the yellow with black stripes, and the several license plates. And on the back we have the word school bus in her back windows, the school bus back and her taillights, and the words "It's Fritter time" in blue and white, and the back bumper which is gray, and the license plate saying FRTR-TM, which I think it means fritter time. And on the undercarriage it says was made in China, children's toy car. And that is it. Now let's pull up some of the other Crazyeight racers. We have Lightning McQueen as Chester Whipplefilter, Francis Cruz Ramirez as Francis Beltline, Dr. Damage, Fair Game, Bill, Patty, APB, T-Bone, Fishtail, Taco, tailgate, and liability. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which Crazyeight racer is your favorite? For me, mine's personally the demolition queen, Miss Fritter over here. Which Crazyeight racer do you think I should get next? And which some other car do you think I should get next as well? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below, or on a voting poll, or however you want to do it. It's up to you. Let me know what you think, as well as leaving. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!